Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag SQL Server DBA tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to access SQL Server Database from SQL Server Management Studio. Database is running in the local or remote server that should be accessible. That will be accessed from the GUI tool, that is the SQL Server Management Studio, that is called SSMS. So previously we have been seeing the SQL Server instance is running the one server, and SQL Server Management Studio installation and SQL Server installation is the Linux and fully connected server. So that should be there, then only we can connect the SQL Server Management Studio to the SQL Server database. So here let me open the SQL Server Management Studio, and my database is not running in the local, that is running in the remote server, that is in my running in the VM, inside the VMware. So I can check the path 192.168.32.146. Let me open that one in putty. 172.168.32.146 MS SQL. In setting, I'm just changing the font to some bigger. So this is my server, and let me check the my SQL server. So for the checking the SQL server, system ctl status and MS SQL, then server. So my SQL server is running, and here let me log in with the SQL server in the system. So SQL cmd minus capital S, my server for this one is localhost minus u and sa. SQL cmd local cmd SQL cmd minus s localhost u sa. SQL cmd is not, it's showing is not found. Let me check with the before command. Source etc profile d now it's working. So now let me check, connect with the SA. So admin @123. So now SQL server is connected. Now let me check the databases. So select name database underscore id from this dot databases. So there is a list of the 5 databases. Same I'm going to connect with my SQL Server Management Studio. Here I am giving the IP address of the server. So this is the IP address. Let me exit and IPA. So this is the IP address. I have to use the same IP address. This is a remote server, so I am giving that. And the firewall everywhere, the 1433 port, that is the default port for the SQL server, that should be allow on that. So this one, and I'm going to the SQL server authentication, and here I'll give the password, and here just check this checkbox, press the SQL server certificate, connect. So you can able to see there is a small Linux icon is there here. So this is a Linux database, and here we can check the databases. Chirags is there, and whatever we will do, we can able to check. So there is a tables, we don't have any tables. Now here also I'll check the command line SQL cmd nss localhost and -u sa admin @123. So here I'll I will check use Chirags go the database context to change to the Chirag. Okay, so select, let me first create the database table. So right click on the table, new table, user underscore id int first underscore name and where, and I'm putting user id as a set primary key. I'm changing identification to auto increment 1, role as users, the table name is users. Now let me check, select from users. So we don't have any data now. I'm inserting data in my this file. So refresh, you will get a table. Right click on that, edit, and giving the name Chirag. Let me run the same command. So Chirag is showing here. So in this way we can connect the database, remote database to the my local system or anywhere where the database connection should be accessible. Means 146 should be accessible, or and then port should be accessible, then only it will work. So in this video we have learned how to access SQL Server database from SQL Server Management Studio, that is a remote server, and the database server is running in my Linux. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, like, share and comment.